Tired of endless back-and-forth emails just to book a single appointment? Let's transform that chaos into calm by mastering Calendly for truly professional scheduling. First, sign into your Calendly account or create one if you haven't already. Then, head to your availability settings to define your general working hours. Click on a day to adjust the specific times you're available, or click recurring to set a weekly schedule. Now, let's create different event types to cater to various meeting needs. Click New Event Type. Choose whether it's a one-on-one or group event. Give it a clear, concise name like client consultation or project review. Next, set the meeting duration. Calendly offers preset options or allows you to customize it. Think about how much time you realistically need for each meeting type. Don't forget to add a location, such as Google Meet or Zoom, if applicable. A crucial detail: buffer time. Add time before and after your meetings to prepare and prevent back-to-back burnout. This also ensures you're not rushed between appointments. Find the Availability tab, then click on Advanced to set buffer times. Personalize your booking page to match your brand. Go to Account Settings and upload your logo and a professional headshot. Choose brand colors that resonate with your business to give your booking page a polished, professional look. Automate communication with email confirmations and reminders. Go to the Notifications and Cancellation Policy section of your event type setup. Customize the email reminders to reduce no-shows. You can send reminders 24 hours or even 1 hour before the meeting. Supercharge your efficiency by integrating Calendly with tools like Google Calendar, Zoom, and your CRM. This keeps everything synced and prevents double bookings. Find the Integrations tab on your homepage to connect your favorite apps. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll create a professional Calendly setup that saves you time, reduces scheduling headaches, and enhances your client experience. Unlock Calendly's full potential and elevate your scheduling game today.